if you create a chart, so here we've got some data, product A, we've created the chart, and we want to add series, there's 3 ways to do it. The first way is our preferred way, and then there's 2 shortcuts. So our preferred way, you right click on the chart, you say select data, it gives you this. Notice you can add, edit, delete. So I'm going to add a series. What's beneficial about this is you can either type in a name, so I could type in product B, or I could link it to that cell there. I can then specify exactly where the series is. And you'll see when I say OK, it's now added. So that's the first way and our preferred way. Second way to do it is when you click on the chart, you'll see these colored boxes. If I hover down here, you'll see the cursor changes, and I can click, hold, and drag. So now I'm going to add in 2. And when I let go, those are all included in the chart. The problem with this one is obviously they have to be right next to each other. Third way to do it is you copy a series. So you highlight it, you copy it either with Control-C or right click and copy. Click on the chart and Control-V to paste, and it will be added in to your chart.